Ayubowan students, capture of coastal areas of Sri Lanka by Portuguese. This is our lesson today. History, grade 8. Background. During the 16th century, Europeans such as Portuguese, Dutch, English arrived Sri Lanka and exerted a huge impact on social and political history of the country. How did Portuguese direct attention towards Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka became famous among Europeans because of the demand of its spices in the European market. Especially, cinnamon was in high quality in Sri Lanka. So this led Portuguese arrive in Sri Lanka in search of spices. Sri Lanka was named as Ceylon by Portuguese. Arrival of Portuguese in Sri Lanka. Before long, Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama arrived in India. King of Portugal sent a general named Francisco Almeida in 1505 in search of island Ceylon. Lorenzo de Almeida's son, Francisco Almeida, and his team landed in Sri Lanka by an accident of caught up in a storm. Now we will see the political situation of Sri Lanka by the time of arrival of Portuguese. There were three kingdoms at that time. Kotte, ruled by King Veeraparakramabahu VIII. Kandyan kingdom, ruled by King Sena Sammata Vikramabahu. Jaffna kingdom, ruled by King Pararajasekara. And there was another region called Vanni, ruled by Vanni chieftain. Relationships between Portuguese and Kotte kingdom. King Veeraparakramabahu VIII had sons, Prince Dharmaparakramabahu and Prince Vijayabahu. Prince Dharmaparakramabahu was handling the Kotte area under the direction of the father. Other princes were handling the other kingdoms. He had some more sons from Queen Keeravella lineage. Famous story of Portuguese. This story is very famous among Sinhalese. Parangiya Kotte giya wage. Portuguese, after landing at Colombo harbour, sent their representatives to see the king of Kotte. So these king's men ushered them in a long tortuous route in order to give them an impression that Kotte kingdom was a long way from Colombo harbour. So that is why this story was named as Parangiya Kotte giya wage. Relationship with Kotte kingdom. Portuguese took permission from King of Kotte to build a warehouse, but the Muslim traders were worried and awakened people against that. Later Portuguese built a fortress in Colombo due to the loss of their storehouse in 1518. There was a political turmoil called Vijayabha Kollaya to sack King Vijayabahu. It happens in 1521. So Kotte kingdom was divided and it was advantageous for Portuguese. Then King Veeraparakramabahu VIII had another three sons from Queen of Keeravella lineage. They were Prince Buwanekabahu, Raigambandara and Mayadunne. After the death of Queen Keeravella, he married another queen and she gave birth to a son named Devaraja. There arose disputes as King Vijayabahu VI tried to inherit to kingship without considering the three sons of the first queen. King Vijayabahu VI was killed by someone during that time and this was the Vijayabha Kollaya. Afterwards, Sri Lanka was divided into three kingdoms: Kotte by Buwanekabahu VI, Raigama, Raigambandara, Sitawaka by Mayadunne. Then the story. Afterwards, there were controversies between Kotte and Sitawaka kingdoms. Main reasons for that was King Buvanakabahu inheriting throne to his grandson Prince Dharmapala with the objection of Mayadunne of Sitawaka. By the time Raigam Bandara died and Mayadunne added Raigama to Sitawaka kingdom. So King Buvanakabahu became weak and asked support from Portuguese. But king was not loyal to Portuguese. King Dharmapala's image made from gold and sent to Portugal for crowning while he is alive and recognized by Portuguese as the king of Corte. After King Dharmapala embraced Catholicism and named as Don Juan. At that time, the sacred tooth of relic was deposited in the Dalada Maligawa of Corte was taken to Sitawaka by Diyawadana Nilame Hiripitiya Rala. Bhikkhus such as Buddhavansa Thera began to support King Mayadunne against Corte kingdom. Father of King Dharmapala, Vidya Bandara, rose against the act of Portuguese. King Mayadunne continued attacks on Corte kingdom and finally King Dharmapala the Don Juan fled the Corte kingdom and lived in Colombo under the protection of Portuguese. King Dharmapala vested the Corte kingdom to Portuguese by a deed of gift and Portuguese became the owners of the Corte kingdom. Thank you for joining my lesson. Hope you understood the lesson very well.